Is your iPhone gaming experience falling flat because you can't hear a thing? Let's fix that. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Make sure your volume slider is turned up. If you see a speaker icon with a line through it, tap it to unmute. Next, check your iPhone's physical mute switch, located on the side of your phone, just above the volume buttons. If you see an orange indicator, the mute switch is unslided away from the orange to unmute your device. Now, let's dive into your iPhone settings. Tap the Settings app icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Ensure the volume slider at the top is turned up also. Check if Change with Buttons is toggled on. This allows you to control the volume using the physical volume buttons while in-game. Sometimes, games have their own volume settings. Open the game you're having trouble with and look for a Settings or Options menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Check if the game's music or sound effects are muted within the game itself. If you've tried all of these steps and still have no sound, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And that's it. You should now be able to hear your games loud and clear. Happy gaming!